Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss about increment and decrement operators in C language. Increment operator is used to increase the value by 1 unit, and decrement operator is used to decrease the value by 1 unit. The symbol used for increment is plus plus and the symbol used for decrement is minus minus. There are two types of increment and two types of decrement operator. If we are using the plus plus symbol before the variable name, it is called as pre-increment. And if we are using the plus plus symbol after the variable name, then it is called as post-increment. In the same way, if we are using the minus minus symbol before a variable, it is called as pre-decrement. If you are using minus minus symbol after the variable name, then it is called as post decrement. First, let me explain this. Pre-increment. Pre-increment means first it is going to increment the value of A and then we are going to use the value of A. In the same way, pre-decrement. First we are going to decrease the value by 1 unit and then we will use A value. Next, post-increment. Post-increment means first we are going to use the value of A and then we will perform increment operation. The same for decrement. Post-decrement. First we will use the value of A and then we will perform decrement operation. Let me explain by taking an example in online compiler. Consider the value of x is equal to 10. Now, if I am trying to print the value of x, we are going to get the value as 10. Since we did not perform any operations here, in this step, we are going to get the value as 10. Now I am performing pre-increment. After this, I am going to print a x value. Printf. Here I am trying to print the value of x. Let us run this code. You can observe here the value of x equal to 10 and x equal to 11. X equal to 10 and x equal to 11. Let me take another example. Now I am making a small change here. I am going to perform post increment. So the value of x equal to 20. I am taking the value of x equal to 20 and now I am performing post decrement. Let me run this code. You can see the output here, x equal to 20 and x equal to 21. X equal to 20 and x equal to 21. Now you may get a doubt like what is the difference between pre and post increment? So if you are performing any updations out of print statement, then the result for pre and post increment remains same. So there will be no change in the output. You will get the result for pre and post increment as same. If you want to observe the change, then we have to perform the updations inside the print statement. I'll explain you in detail by taking an example. Let me explain this by taking an online compiler. So now I am taking the x value as 20. Now I am going to perform pre-increment operation. But I am taking these updations inside the print statement. Now let me execute this code. I am going to get the output as x equal to 20 plus plus x equal to 21 and x equal to 21. The output which we got is x equal to 20 plus x equal to 21 and x equal to 21. Let us perform the same for post increment now. Just I'm replacing plus x with x plus plus, and here also I'm making the modifications as x plus plus. Let me run this code now. You can observe now x equal to 20. In the second step also it is going to print x equal to 20. Since it is post increment, the value of x will be updated in the next step, not in the same step. Let me copy paste the same for your reference. And the output for this is x equal to 20, x plus plus equal to 20, and x equal to 21. From this, we can say that if you are performing operations out of print statement, then the result for pre and post will be same. But if you're taking updations inside the print statement, then there will be a difference. The same scenario will be for decrement also, but in place of plus plus, we have to replace it with minus minus. Thank you, friends.